Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Okay. Oh, you saw the title of this video, and that's how I felt. Slaying Mariah Carey's Through the Rain, Filipino artist who did it best. Man, look, all these videos that's been suggested and everything lately, I am here for it. I can't even hardly give you an intro because I'm just ready to get into the videos, to be honest. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like videos like these. Okay? And make sure you go ahead and leave us some comments in the comment section. We get a lot of people over here watching our videos, and a lot of times people just too shy to comment. I noticed that. Don't be shy. I won't pay unless you like. Okay? Just go ahead and leave those comments. And look, I'm ready to get into the video. I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Listen. Slaying Mariah Carey's Through the Rain, Filipino artist who did it best. Let's press play. Who slayed it best, y'all? Pick a top 3.
And when the rain blows and shadows grow close, nothing you can face. And should they tell you, stand tall and
I don't think I've ever heard of her. Marielle Montellano. She looked like Sarah a little bit from this clip, like the young Sarah. Alright, y'all, that was Marielle. What did you think? Top 3. Here comes Sarah. In these oldie but goodie clips with 0.35 pixels. Alright. What did you think? Who we got now? Kyla. Come on, Kyla. All right, Kyla. Remind me why I miss her. Julianne San Jose.
It's okay. Oh, yeah. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again. That I'm strong enough to make it every.
Don't forget, top 3. We need a top 3 at the end, so try to keep up with it. It's kind of hard, I know. I don't really hear that much from her, from Julianne. I wonder why is that. Who's this? Jessica Villarubin? I need to find the Clash. Apparently, because it's something I haven't. How did I miss this? I think this is the second or third time I've seen somebody from the Clash, and I've never saw the Clash. Wow, okay. Top 3? Who's in your top 3? Come on, Miss Rachelle Ann. I miss Rachelle Ann so much. This is getting harder. This is getting harder, you guys. Katrina. Man, who is in your top 3? This is getting harder and harder, I promise you. She said, channeling. Morissette. This is getting nuts. This is crazy. Who is your top 3? Oh my gosh. Wow. Woo! Okay, listen, folks, listen. And if your name is Linda, listen too. So, like I said, we're gonna pick a top 3. Ooh, this is hard for real. Let's see. Who do I got? All right, let's see. For sure, I got Kyla. I gotta pick Kyla. Woo! Next, Jonalyn Viray. Gotta go with her. And man, there's so many good ones, so many great ones. And then also, man, from the Clash and all of these people. So I got Kyla. I got Jonalyn. And I need one more. I'm going to go with Katrina. Katrina Velarde, man, she blew that out. She blew it out. She was channeling Mariah, even down to the, and all of that, and all of this. And the notes were on point, most importantly. And of course, anytime she, needs to blast out some notes and hit you hard with a piece of music, she gonna get you. She gonna do it. She's gonna do that. So there we go. Kyla, Jonalyn, Katrina. Who were your top 3 out of these? And was it hard? Was it hard for you? Was it easy for you to choose 3? And I know a lot of you would choose just one person because this person is just everything and nobody else can compare. But can we choose 3? Okay. If somebody told you to choose 3, who would you choose? You can choose your fave, of course. Your number one fave. Okay. Can we get 2 more people though? Can we get just 2 more? I just struggled to choose 3 already. When I could have, if I would have just chose one, I could have just chose one too. I could have just chose the ultimate fave too, right? Anyways, so thank you for watching the video. Again, make sure you go ahead and like, dislike, do something. Let me know that you feel something. So do that. Leave us a comment. Don't be shy about it. Make sure that we know what's going. How you feel about it. How you feel about my choices. And what choices do you have? Did you choose the same ones that I chose? I'd really like to know. But until next time, peace.